Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and welcome to MysticMantleQuest, which is a quest-based Unity game built on the Mantle blockchain. So this is the sneak peek, and now let us talk something about Mantle and why Mantle is the best blockchain to be built the games for. So Mantle is an Ethereum layer 2 solution which not only provides with Ethereum security but also provides hyperscale performance, which means low gas fees and faster finality, which are the perfect ingredients for a game to be built at, as a blockchain game would involve multiple transactions, and if those transactions cost very high gas fees, then it would be a bad UX for the gamers. So taking all the considerations in mind, Mantle proves to be the best blockchain to be built the game at. So that's why we decided to build our game at Mantle blockchain. So now let's have a quick demo of it. So it's deployed on the Vercel, and it comes made with Unity. And this is our character. We can call it anything via name. So Kamal just comes around, and you can move it. Yeah. So once you are in the game, you can connect your wallet to the Coinbase, and it just connects to. And what you have to notice is you have to connect to the Mantle testnet. Okay, so once you are on the Mantle testnet to the Coinbase, you can just move with your character to anywhere you want. This is the swimming pool, and it gets moving. You can move it here and there. This is the swimming pool, and I will increase sound. Since it's a quest-based game, so the old man has asked us to find his chicken, and then he would reward us. So I found two chickens, but where's the third one? So yeah, we found the third one is here. So it is actually a hidden item which only unhides when you are. Then we can either go to the old man or come to this archer, and the archer is asking us to buy things that are listed on the marketplace. So actually this is a marketplace thing where in this quest-based game you have to complete the quest and earn ERC 20 coins, which I will show. There's a contract ERC 20 coins. When you earn those coins, you can buy things from this marketplace. These pods or weapons you can buy from this marketplace, and in this way you can further develop the game and further enjoy the game. So for ERC 20 coins, you first need like if you will go, let's go to the but let's go to this. So this cost coins. Now whenever it clicks, Coinbase would pop up asking us to sign the transaction. You have to just sign the transaction. part of the game. So Archer is guarding the marketplace, and we have to, if we have to buy, we can buy from here. Now let us take a quick look at the contracts. So after the demo, I would like to so close it. So after the demo, I would like to explain more things about in description about the project. So this is welcome to the exciting world of our quest-based Unity game powered by the revolutionary Mantle blockchain. Prepare yourself for an immersive, as you just saw, an immersive and rewarding gaming experience that combines the thrill of completing quest. In the future, there will be more quests created in the game for players to win. Complete quest and earn ERC20 coins, and this is one of the coins. So MMQ stands for Mystic Mantle Quest, which is the name. So MMQ is a token which is deployed on the Mantle blockchain, and this was the transaction. Now, this is the coin contract. Now you can collect beautiful NFTs. Like, what will you do with these coins? You will, in the game, you will collect these NFTs, which are beautiful. uh, these are multi-call and set approvals. So you have to approve, and then you can collect these NFTs, which would be listed on the marketplace, which the Archer was just guarding. Uh, and this is the marketplace, whole marketplace thing of the game, which contains all the items that a user can buy with the ERC20 tokens. Uh, there would be direct listing. It has like various features like direct listing, even auctions. So we could create even auctions on the items, that various multiplayer, if we make it a multiplayer, then various other players along with us can compete to buy those items faster by completing the quest as fast as possible. And yeah, that is about the marketplace. uh, if I really show you one of the items, then this is a dual sword that you could right now buy if you choose to play the game. This is a 721 contract, and it's dual sword for fighting the combat enemies. Uh, and this is the coin. The coin looks like this. The quest marketplace, which has like this sword thing, looks like this. And yeah, this is beautiful. It was my first time building on Unity, and I found it pretty interesting, pretty new. Join the adventure on Mantle Blockchain. Experience the fusion of gaming and blockchain like never before. Join us on Mantle Blockchain. uh, yeah, just conquer the world. This is the code for it. Yeah, it's open source. You can find it, uh, everything in the readme. Thank you for watching.